I have to face paint 100 kids in 90 minutes, which gives me about 30 seconds per kid. So here are my top 5 30-second face paint designs ranked part 2. Coming in at number 5, we have a scorpion. You only need one brush and one stroke palette. The design may look tricky, but it's really just a few simple shapes. I'm first creating these stacked bars for the body, and I'm curving out just one side, then going back in and curving the other side with the edge of the brush. Then to create the tail, I'm just flicking the brush upwards a little bit, and I repeat that 4 times. For the legs, I like to press down the edge of the brush so it shows the multiple colors. And then finally, for those front claws, it's just literally another flick of the brush and then it's done. Done. Okay, it's not perfect. 30-second time limit is honestly really hard on this one, and there's things I want to do and change, but I feel like for what it is, I'm okay with it. Maybe I'll do a minute version of this. Like this if you want me to do a minute version of the scorpion. Coming in at number 4, we have a beautiful rainbow with flowers. I'm using this rainbow one stroke palette today, which is kind of my cheat code to get all these colors in one stroke. Let's try it. Look how pretty. People are always amazed at how it looks when I first do that. And then I'm doing these, they're called double dip flowers. I think that's what I call them. And I don't do the other one right away, so it can have 2 seconds to dry, and then I'll come back over and do these ones. And I add a dot in the middle, and if I have time, little dots around here, and it's done. Of course, it needs sparkles. I like putting the sparkles near the, well, not too close to the eye, but if they're grown up enough, I like doing them here. Coming in at number 3 is this snake. Okay, head's done. Eyes. 1, 2, teeth. Nose. Oh, little crazy nose, but it's okay. And he's a rattlesnake. Done. If I had time, add extra little dots. What do we think? For a 30-second snake, coming in at number 2 is the dolphin. I kind of like doing the dolphins on like the eyebrow area, so let's do that. Okay, let's try it. I forgot to say, but of course I have my stopwatch so you can see that I'm doing this in real time. And fill it in. And water. Done. Of course, we have to add sparkles. These sparkles look kind of like bubbles. Okay, what do we think? I think he's cute. And coming in at first place are these beautiful flowers. The trick for this design is to coat the entire brush with white, then coat just the end with pink or whatever color you're using. Okay, I have my timer set so you know it'll be in real time. Let's try it. I literally just press down in a flower shape. And then I do little petals coming out from it on either side. And then I take the end of the brush, which is already dipped in white paint, and I add the center of the flowers. And it's done. Of course, we can always add sparkles. What do we think?